Hello, I'm Matt Wade. I am 5'11", and I live in Asheville, North Carolina, and I will play a musical instrument after this scene.
Sir Toby Belch. How now, Sir Toby Belch?
Sweet Sir Andrew.
Bless you, fair shrew.
And you too, sir.
Accost, Sir Andrew, accost.
What's that?
My niece's chambermaid.
Good Mistress Accost, I desire better acquaintance.
My name is Mary, sir.
Good Mistress Mary Accost.
You mistake, knight. Accost is front her, board her, woo her, assail her.
By my troth, I would not undertake her in this company. Is that the meaning of accost?
Fare you well, gentlemen.
And yeah, let part so, Sir Andrew, would thou mightst never draw sword again. Approach, Sir Andrew. Not to be abed after midnight is to be up betimes. And duluculo sugere, thou knowest.
Nay, by my troth, I know not, but I know to be up late is to be up late.
A false conclusion. I hate it as an unfilled can. To be up after midnight and to go to bed then is early. So, to go to bed after midnight is to go to bed betimes. Does not our lives consist of the four elements?
Faith, so they say, but I think it rather consists of eating and drinking.
Thou art a scholar. Let us then eat and drink, Marion. I say a stoup of wine.
Here comes the fool of faith.
How now, my lords? Did you never see the picture of we three?
Welcome, ass. Now, let's have a catch. And my instrument is the mouth trumpet. Where you get it. Thank you.